Millions of tons of watermelon are consumed globally every year. But have you considered the complex growth journey?
Every 20-kilogram juicy fruit begins its life as a tiny seed before undergoing a highly technical transformation. Today, we enter the world's largest watermelon farm, where modern technology and nature produce thousands of tons daily. This is not just traditional farming, but a high-tech industrial operation designed for maximum efficiency and consistent yield.
The journey starts in a high-tech nursery, where standard soil is replaced by a specialized sterile peat moss.
Robotic machines drop exactly one seed into every tray to ensure that each plant has space to grow.
These trays stay in a climate-controlled greenhouse, where computers manage the temperature and humidity for perfect germination.
Once these plants reach 4 to 6 inches in height, they are ready for the massive open fields. Heavy tractors prepare the earth by laying down layers of black plastic mulch to protect the growing soil.
This plastic maintains ground moisture and prevents weeds from growing, which would otherwise compete for essential soil nutrients.
Hidden beneath the plastic is a drip irrigation pipe that delivers water and liquid fertilizer directly to roots. Thousands of seedlings are transplanted daily, marking the beginning of the intense growth phase in the open sun. When flowers begin to appear, the farm initiates a massive operation known as the critical honeybee integration.
Thousands of bee boxes are strategically placed around the fields to ensure large-scale pollination occurs for every plant.
Without these bees, producing such a high volume of fruit would be impossible within this massive industrial landscape. During growth, experts deploy multispectral drones to monitor the health and progress of the vast green crop. These drones identify areas lacking water or suffering from pest attacks before the damage can spread further away.
This advanced technology prevents crop loss and ensures every single fruit achieves the desired level of internal sweetness.
As the fruit expands, it requires constant monitoring to ensure that the skin remains intact and healthy. Determining the exact moment of ripeness is the most difficult stage of the entire watermelon production process.
Watermelons do not continue to ripen once harvested, so experts must identify the perfect window for picking.
Workers look for a yellow bottom surface and a dried, curly tail to indicate the fruit is ready.
A heavy and hollow sound means the fruit is full of juice and natural sugars, ready for consumption.
An entire army of workers enters the field as the massive harvest operation officially begins on the farm.
Harvest assist conveyors move through the rows, allowing workers to load fruit onto trucks with minimal physical strain.
From the fields, the melons are transported directly to the processing facility for cleaning and rigorous quality control.
Upon arrival, the fruit is submerged in a large bath of ozone-treated water to remove all surface bacteria. Automated brushes and high-pressure jets ensure every melon is perfectly clean before entering the high-tech scanning phase.
The internal quality sensor uses infrared light to check the sugar level without actually cutting the fruit open.
This machine measures the Brix content to ensure only the sweetest watermelons reach the final consumer market shelves.
Any fruit with internal defects, like hollow heart or low sugar, is automatically removed from the production line.
Only the perfect specimens receive a brand sticker, signifying they meet the farm's elite standards for quality. Then, the fruit is packed into large cardboard bins, ready for shipment to supermarkets across the entire world.
Refrigerated trucks maintain a steady temperature to preserve freshness during the long journey to the retail stores.
Next time you enjoy a cold slice, remember the immense effort and technology behind that single bite.
If you enjoyed this industrial process, subscribe to our channel and suggest the next factory we should visit. Returning to the start, the consistency of the sterile peat moss is vital for the young root systems. Speed and precision allow the farm to plant over 100,000 seeds in a single workday. Even the water used in the nursery is filtered multiple times to prevent any fungal or bacterial growth. Uniformity in growth is essential for the automated transplanting machines that will soon move these young plants. Moving the delicate seedlings to the field requires a gentle touch and specialized mechanical lifting equipment today.
The soil must be perfectly tilled and leveled to ensure the plastic mulch lays flat and pure.
Satellite-guided tractors ensure that every row is perfectly straight, maximizing the available space in the large field. Modern mulching machines can cover several acres in just 1 hour, saving hundreds of manual labor hours. Massive pumps draw water from local reservoirs, filtering it before it enters the complex drip irrigation network. Maintaining correct water pressure is vital so that plants at the end of the row receive water.
The health of the bee population is just as important as the health of the watermelon plants.
AI algorithms analyze drone footage to estimate the total yield weeks before the actual harvest even begins.
Ground rovers complement drone data by testing soil moisture and nutrient levels at the base of plants.
Real-time weather data helps the farm adjust irrigation schedules to compensate for heat waves or sudden rain.
The rind of the watermelon acts as a protective shield, keeping the sweet interior safe from pests.
Lifting the heavy fruit requires care, as any bruise on the rind can lead to rapid spoilage.
Sharp tools are a safety requirement, ensuring clean cuts that don't damage the main plant's trailing vines.
This melon toss is a traditional skill, though modern belts have reduced the need for this labor.
These mobile elevators move slowly across the field, synchronized with the pace of the human harvesting crew. Each truck can carry several tons of fruit, making dozens of trips to the processing plant daily.
Total harvest weight is recorded at the weighbridge to track the daily productivity of each field. Water transport is the gentlest way to move heavy fruit, preventing bruising and keeping the rinds cool.
Sophisticated sensors categorize each fruit by its size and weight, sorting them into different commercial-grade categories.
Ozone is a powerful natural disinfectant, ensuring that no harmful pathogens remain on the fruit's outer surface. Removing excess water is essential so that the brand stickers can adhere firmly to the waxy rind. Daily calibration ensures that the infrared sensors remain accurate to within a fraction of a percent today.
Hollow heart is an internal crack that affects texture. The sensor identifies this flaw instantly without cutting.
Nothing goes to waste. Rejected fruit is repurposed as nutrient-rich animal feed or organic fertilizer for fields. The vision system checks for aesthetic perfection, ensuring that only the most beautiful fruit reaches the stores.
Sorting by weight allows supermarkets to price the fruit accurately and manage their inventory more effectively overall.
These bins are designed to hold up to 1,000 pounds of fruit without collapsing under weight. A soft loading mechanism ensures the first layer of melons doesn't bruise when hitting the bottom of bin.
Foam pads provide extra protection during shipping, preventing the melons from shifting and bumping against each other.
High-tension straps secure the load, allowing the pallets to be stacked safely within the refrigerated shipping containers. Maintaining a temperature of around 50 degrees Fahrenheit extends the shelf life of the watermelon by weeks.
Speed is critical. The faster the fruit is cooled, the longer it will remain crisp and delicious. Each truck is pre-chilled to ensure there is no break in the cold chain during the loading.
Full traceability allows the farm to track every single bin back to the specific row and field. Growing seedless varieties is even more complex. requiring specific pollinizer plants to be interspersed throughout the field. Research plots help develop new varieties with thinner rinds, higher sugar content, and smaller, more convenient sizes.
Some fruit is sent to the fresh cut room, where automated water jets slice them into perfect cubes daily.
These pre-cut containers are filled with modified atmosphere gas to keep the fruit from oxidizing and turning. Airtight seals are a safety priority, preventing any external air from reaching the sensitive, exposed red flesh.
To reduce its carbon footprint, the farm generates much of its electricity through a vast solar array.
Every drop of water is precious. The facility recycles up to 8% of its total wash. Protecting the fruit from wildlife is a constant battle, requiring non-harmful deterrents like noisemakers and flags. Routine maintenance ensures that the high-tech sensors remain functional and accurate during the peak of harvest season. This farm feeds millions, with shipping routes extending to major ports on almost every single continent today. Despite the automation, the human touch is still required for complex repairs and unique field-level adjustments daily.
Verification labs act as a double check, ensuring that the technology is always performing at its highest level. During peak season, the harvest continues through the night to meet the overwhelming global demand for fruit.
The hygiene standards are strictly enforced, starting with the cleanliness of the vehicles that transport the final product.
Nature provides its own signals. The shriveled tail is an unmistakable indicator of a perfectly ripe melon. Educational tours help the public understand the intersection of biology and industrial technology in modern food production.
Natural food-grade waxes are sometimes applied to organic varieties to provide an extra layer of moisture protection.
Maintaining a massive fleet of vehicles is another industrial layer required to run the world's largest farm.
Brithan Agents.